Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable ANC for your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. And basically we have two options how to enable or disable it. The first one is to use an application and the second one is to use gesture. Let's get started by use the app. So you need to open EARFUN audio application. Of course, you need to add your headphones to the app, and then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds, and right here we have ambient sound control. So to enable ANC, you need to click at the noise cancelling, and to disable ANC, you need to swap to transparency mode or to normal mode. As I said, we can use gesture, and by default, you need to use your left earbud. At the back side, right here at the top, we have this wheel. This one is touch area. You need to press and hold at this touch area. So right now I use normal mode, and from normal mode I should swap to ANC. Okay, maybe I need to put these earbuds to my ear. Is it work with the one? Yeah. And as you can see, from normal mode I swap to ANC. And if you want to disable it, you need to swap to the ambient sound. What's going on? Okay, so after ANC, let's press and hold again. And as you can see, now we use transparency mode. Press and hold again. And we return to the normal mode. And if you want to change it, you need to scroll down in the main menu, go to customize controls, and as you can see it's set to press and hold, but we can set it for the single press, double press, triple press. We can also set it for the right earbud. Let's say I want to add it for the single press for my right earbud. So I click at this line, then I need to select noise cancelling. Now let me put these earbuds to my ear, and now let's check it. So I press one time at my right earbud. Now I enable ANC, then transparency and normal mode, so it worked. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.